Welcome, fam. Woke up with a tight back or sluggish core? Feeling like your posture collapsed overnight? Your body's not broken. It just needs to remember how to hold itself again. Let's hit the mat. Sit tall with your legs extended forward. Place your hands slightly behind you, fingertips pointing toward your feet. Press through your heels and lift your hips up, creating a straight line from shoulders to ankles. This move wakes up everything the modern lifestyle shuts down. Glutes, hamstrings, shoulders, spine. I promise, this posture counteracts slouching, opens the chest, and activates your full posterior chain in just 60 seconds. Beginners, bend your knees and keep feet flat for a reverse tabletop. Advanced stretches, keep legs straight, squeeze the glutes, and lift your chest toward the sky. If your glutes feel weak or your back feels tight, this might be the fix your desk forgot to give you. Hold for 5 more seconds. Breathe into the front of your body. That just switched on your back line. Now let's stabilize your center. Come onto all fours, brace your core. Extend your right arm forward and left leg back. Keep your hips level and spine neutral. This move is about precision, not power. I promise, Bird Dog teaches your core to stabilize and not just flex, building strength that translates to everything from posture to walking. Beginners, tap hand and foot between reps. Advanced stretchers, hold each rep for 5 seconds without shifting your hips. Do you feel that internal shake? That's your deep core waking up. Last 5 seconds, lock in and breathe. Now switch. Left arm, right leg back. Same form, same control. This side might feel less coordinated. That's the imbalance we're here to correct. I promise, you're building cross-body coordination that protects your spine throughout your day. Beginners, shorten the range of motion. Advanced stretches, add 1-inch pulse at the top. Stay steady, stay slow. You're not just building strength. You're rewiring your center. That just reconnected your core. Now let's lengthen your spine. Lower onto your belly and bring your elbows under your shoulders, forearms flat on the mat. Lift your chest gently as your hips and legs stay grounded. This is your passive back bend. No force, just space. I promise, Sphinx pose decompresses your lumbar spine, relieves low back pressure, and restores spinal extension after sleep or sitting. Beginners, widen your feet or take pressure off your lower back. Advanced stretches, press lightly into your forearms to lift higher through the sternum. Did you know that a tight lower back can reduce your breathing depth up to 30%? Can you breathe into your belly and feel it press into the mat? Hold that for 5. That just softened your spine. Now let's stretch the full back line. Tuck your toes, press your hips up and back. Heels reach toward the ground. Palms press firmly into the floor. Between arms. This is where your whole back line reconnects. I promise, this stretch decompresses the spine, lengthens the hamstrings, and brings circulation to every part of your posterior chain. Beginners, keep knees bent and focus on lifting the hips high. Advanced stretches, paddle your heels or hold full extension. What we just opened, we're about to seal with stillness. Can you hold steady here for 5 more deep breaths? Feel that full body length? That's mobility meeting calm. Sit tall, legs extended in front of you. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, hinge from the hips and fold forward. Let go of effort. Let gravity take over. I promise this final fold calms your nervous system, stretches your hamstrings, and gently resets the spine before the day wraps up. Beginners bend the knees and hold shins or ankles. Advanced stretches reach beyond the feet and breathe into the low back. Can you go 10% deeper just by relaxing, not forcing? Hold still for the last 5 seconds. That's the difference between tension and release. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind. It shows up in your habits. It drains your energy even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. A daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A faith-fueled nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. All delivered daily to your email inbox, and it's completely free to start. Tap the link in the description or pin comment to begin your free 3-day reset then when you're ready. If those 3 days wake something up in you, if your body starts to feel aligned, your mornings calmer, your breath steadier, you'll have the option to keep going with a full 30-day reset rhythm experience. Same rhythm, a deeper reset. Weekly themes with daily scripture, stretches, journaling, daily support, and most importantly, God at the center of it all. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts us into the kingdom.